Forget aliens, forget black holes. The most terrifying discovery is that the universe is built on a fabric, the fabric of spacetime, and that fabric is tearing. Look at this star. It is not spherical, it is a metallic cube. This is a geometry error. It exists only because a flaw in spacetime has allowed impossible rigidity to replace natural curves. This is not physics. This is a tear in the fundamental laws of our existence. The gravitational flow on this planet, designated vertigo, is inverted. The ocean perpetually rises only to fall again. This is a localized dimensional leak where the familiar laws of gravity have been swapped for an opposing force. This rising tide is the sound of reality, struggling to contain a cosmic imbalance. The energy meant to pull down is now pulling up, creating chaos in the system. If spacetime is a fabric, then this is the underlying cosmic structure exposed. These astronomical gears are not planets. They are the physical mechanisms that drive time and space. They were never meant to be seen. Their rotation is the forced heartbeat of our reality, but their surfaces are scratched and scored. The foundational geometry is stressed, and we are finally witnessing the exposed workings of a collapsing universe. This is an even more insidious failure of local gravity. Here, the force is inverted only on water molecules. It is a highly specific fracture in the force field defining this region. The water strives to escape the planet's core, pulling away violently. If the fundamental laws of nature can fail in one small place, then nothing we perceive is truly stable. The ultimate vulnerability, the crystallization event. This planet has been rendered entirely transparent, its core exposed. It is the result of a catastrophic, instantaneous structural collapse. This planet is no longer opaque. It is a window into its own violent, dying heart. Every fracture in that glass is a permanent scar on the stability of the entire system. This is geologic slowness. These stone blossoms take 1,000 years to cycle because the surrounding spacetime is under immense drag. Their motion is constrained, their very existence slowed down. This is life running at an incredibly low temporal frequency. This is the digital equivalent of a hard freeze, the universe lagging. We have found the anti-light zone. This is a massive, spreading infection of absolute darkness. These trees are not matter. They are holes in reality that consume all light. When we look at this blackness, we are looking at the absence of reality, a void that is actively expanding. Do not look too closely, or the darkness will start pulling you in. This atmosphere is the universe's broken texture file. The cloud patterns and colors are cycling through impossible palettes at once. It's a chaotic rendering failure where the sky cannot decide what color it should be. The visual instability suggests a massive conflict in the dimensional boundary. This entire world is suffering a graphical seizure. This is the ultimate existential dread, the exposure of the cosmic timer. This hourglass measures the duration of our program. Every star falling is a completed equation. We know the universe is finite, but here we can see the visible measurement of its end. Every grain of sand falling is a billion years, being subtracted from the available spacetime of the universe. We have witnessed the breaking of physics, the collapse of known space, and the tearing of the cosmic fabric. Yet here, near the final observation point, we find a single, silent pocket watch. It is untouched, perfectly still, and the second hand is frozen. This object is a message, a final signal left at the end of reality, reminding us that only outside of spacetime, in the hands of the Creator, can time truly be stopped.